Labrador snoring. Guess not. I guess not. You don't want to snore? You were snoring so much before, Amber. Okay, well, you lazy. Are you lazy today after you play a lot of ball? Right? You lazy? Say bye to the people. Say, I'm tired. Give me a paw? You don't even want to give me a paw. Come on. Come on, Amber. Paw. Slap. Oh, you did. I thought you were too tired for that. Can you pound it? Come on. Pound it. Pound it. No? All right. Say, see you later.